Difference between restrain and restraint. Restrain and restraint often confuse people. Let me first explain restrain. Restrain is a verb. You restrain someone, which means you stop someone from doing something. You can restrain yourself, you can restrain a feeling, you can restrain some event from happening. Here are a few examples using restrain. The doctor gently restrained the patient to prevent sudden movement. She had to restrain her laughter because she didn't want to offend anyone. I was unable to restrain my frustration when they didn't end the meeting on time. He restrained himself and walked away instead of fighting back. There are many laws to restrain those who abuse power. Does stop mean restrain? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. When you write, the policeman restrained the thief from escaping, you can also write, the policeman stopped the thief from escaping. But if you want to say, the train is going to stop at the station, you cannot say, the train is going to restrain at the station. The easy way to remember what restrain actually means is you stop someone or something by holding back. A common example is getting a restraining order, getting a court order that a person cannot come near you. Now we come to restraint. Restraint is a noun. It is something that helps you restrain. It can be a state or condition, or it can be a thing like a rope. It can be a control, a limit, or a force that keeps something or someone from going too far. Remember that restraint is not an action. Therefore, unlike restrain, not a verb. It is a state or a thing that is used to control. You can show restraint during an argument. You can use a restraint to make sure that your dog doesn't run around in the neighborhood. To understand better, here are some sentences using restraint. We cannot complete the project because of financial restraints. The child's safety restraint was fastened and it saved the child during the accident. He showed remarkable restraint when he chose not to argue. Her restraint in spending helped her save money. She spoke with restraint, keeping her emotions in check. The thief was in restraints when we saw him. So restraint means the act of stopping someone or something from doing something, and restraint means the device or the state that is used to restrain something or someone from doing something. Right and wrong sentences using restrain and restraint. He showed great restraint during the meeting, which is correct. He showed great restraint during the meeting, which is wrong. The police tried to restrain the suspect. This is wrong. The police tried to restrain the suspect. This is correct. She couldn't restrain her laughter. This is incorrect. She couldn't restrain her laughter. This is correct. I had to restrain him from running. This is wrong. I had to restrain him from running. This is correct. Now sentences using both restrain and restraint correctly. She managed to restrain her anger, which was a sign of emotional restraint. Police are trained to restrain suspects with restraint, using only necessary force. I hope with this explanation and sentences, you are now able to differentiate between restrain and restraint. If yes, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so that you receive notification when I upload the next video.